Yes. Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Trigonometric ratios of 0 degree and 90 degree. First of all, we'll take a right angle triangle. Right angle triangle, that is triangle ABC. ABC. Now we have to find the trigonometric ratios of 0 degree. So we have to make a angle of 0 degree, almost 0 degree. Okay?
Yes, sir.
यहाँ पे आपके पास कुछ केस है, देखिए आपके पास ये राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल है, हम क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे एंगल ए को डिक्रीज करेंगे, एंगल सी को इंक्रीज करेंगे, ठीक है। अब हम क्या करेंगे, एंगल ए को डिक्रीज कर रहे हैं, ये ए बी आपके पास, ठीक है, ओके।
Yes, sir.
जो आपके पास ओरिजिनल ट्रायंगल है वो ये, तो मेन ट्रायंगल है वो क्या है आपके पास, ये हमने इसको थोड़ा डिक्रीज किया है एंगल को, मतलब एंगल ए जो पहले वहां पे था इसको थोड़ा डिक्रीज किया। ये आपके पास अब सी जो है वो कहाँ पे आ रहा है, सी यहाँ पे आ रहा है, ठीक है। क्यों कर रहे हैं हम ये पे, ये एंगल थोड़ा डिक्रीज हो रहा है, ये एंगल थोड़ा इंक्रीज हो रहा है, एंगल सी, और जो ए सी है वो किस पे आ रहा है, ए बी पे आ रहा है। अब थोड़ा और करते हैं आगे, चलिए सी यहाँ पे आ गया, डी यहाँ पे है, ये एंगल ए देखो कम हो गया, यस, ये 90 है, ये 90। एंगल ए डिक्रीज हो रहा है, एंगल सी क्या है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है, और ए सी विल ऑलमोस्ट कॉन्साइड विद ए बी, ए सी जो है वो ऑलमोस्ट कॉन्साइड विद ए बी हो जाएगा धीरे करके। समझ आ रहा है कुछ है भाई?
Yes, sir.
आगे देखो नेक्स्ट केस में देखिए, नेक्स्ट
It
केस में
is the same hypothesis both will be same.
यस,
And height will be 0.
BC will become 0, BC will become 0 and AC will almost equal to AB, AC will become almost equal to AB.
Yes.
That is A, that is B, and C will come here, C will also come here, okay. Write down angle A is decreasing smaller and smaller, and angle C increasing larger and larger. Angle C becomes smaller and smaller, and angle C becomes larger and larger. Angle A becomes smaller and smaller, smaller and smaller, and angle C becomes larger and larger. हो रहा है नहीं हो रहा? कैसे?
Yes, sir.
हो रहा है।
भाई एंगल जो C है वो क्या हो रहा है, 90 डिग्री पे आ रहा है। पहले ये एक्यूट एंगल थे यहाँ पे, अब ये क्या है, धीरे धीरे करे 90 डिग्री के पास आ रहा है, तो ऑलमोस्ट 90 डिग्री के आसपास आ रहा है, तो एंगल C जो है ऑलमोस्ट 90 के आसपास आ जाएगा, लार्जर एंड लार्जर, एंड AC almost equal to AB, and AC almost equal to AB, AC almost equal to AB. A condition at which angle A almost become equal to 0. Finally angle A,
So,
yes, yes,
sir, as sir, AC is also becoming 0. So, it is exactly
not 0,
AB.
exactly not 0, almost equal to 0. अगर 0 हो जाएगा तो वैल्यू कैसे निकालेंगे?
So there will be no triangle then.
हाँ, yes, almost equal to 0. Angle A, finally angle A becomes,
Very close to 0.
yeah, yes, almost equal to 0. Equal to 0, and angle C
So that
becomes
is 0.4 degree.
almost equal to 90 degree. Angle C becomes almost equal to 90 degree. Almost equal to 90 degree. Okay. And AC जो है वो AB के इक्वल हो जाएगा. AC will be equal to AB. And your BC will almost equal to 0, and BC will almost equal to 0. Almost equal to 0. किसी को डाउट तो प्रॉब्लम इसमें?
No, sir.
यहाँ पे जो एंगल A है, एंगल A ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल टू 0 है, एंगल C ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल टू 90 डिग्री है, AC AB के इक्वल है, BC ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल टू 0. ठीक है? Any doubt, any problems?
No,
अब सबसे
So please solve to let me down.
okay. And now we have to find out the angle A becomes 0 degree. Angle A becomes 0 degree. Your sine of 0 degree. Perpendicular from the hypotenuse. What is your perpendicular? Perpendicular is your BC, and hypotenuse is AC.
21.
Yes. BC is almost equal to 0, and AC 0 divided by any number is 0. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Okay.
No, sir.
Have you done or not?
Done.
Sir, done.
Okay.
Now please hold it.
Scroll up.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes, sir. Done. Sir, please scroll to the first slide.
Yes. Okay. Oh. Yes, your final figure was that that is your A, B, class and C. A, B and C. Okay. It means your angle A is almost equal to 0. Angle C almost equal to 90 degree. AC coincide with AB and BC is almost equal to 0. Okay. Okay. Now your sine 0 degree we have already found out. Now cos 0 degree. Please tell me that. Cos 0. Base by hypotenuse. Base is AB and hypotenuse is AC almost equal to equal. AB is equal to AC almost equal. So AB by AB. Any doubt, any problems?
No, sir.
Now 10 of them. 10. Yes. Yes, Pragati.
How it may be possible that on the same vertex angle B and angle C are there?
Angle.
Sir, means you have written, sir, please open the figure.
Yes.
Yes, sir, यहाँ पे आपने B right angle B और C. सर ये
Almost equal to 90 degree. Angle B is 90 and angle C almost equal to 90 degree. Tan 0 degree. Perpendicular by base.
it will become 0.
Perpendicular is your BC. Hypotenuse is your AC. Your perpendicular is 0.
That is P by B.
Sir, tan is P by D.
That is perpendicular upon base.
Perpendicular on base hypotenuse.
Oh, sorry.
With tan.
Perpendicular base. Oh, okay. Sorry. Base is your AB. 0 degree. Now cosec of 0 degree.
Perpendicular is upon perpendicular.
Yes, 1 upon the sine. Oh.
AC by 0.
Yes, what happens? Have you any doubt? Any problems?
No, sir.
Yes.
Sir.
Trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees. Trigonometric ratios of 90 degrees. It is your right angle triangle. That is your angle A, that is your angle B, that is your angle C. Now we have to make angle A 90 degree. Angle A को हमने increase करना है, angle C को हमने क्या करना है, decrease करना है. In previous case, angle A we are decreasing and angle C we are increasing. But in this case, angle A will increase.
Sir, your voice is not coming over. What to do?
Now my voice is clear?
It's not.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Now.
Okay. In the previous case, we have to decrease angle A and angle C is increasing. But in this case, angle A will increase and it will become equal to almost equal to 90 degree, and angle C will decrease. If angle A will increase, then angle C will decrease. If angle A will decrease, then angle C will increase. Okay?
Yes, yes.
Okay. Now we will increase the angle A.
Sir, from the previous setup only we could find out the ratio of 90 degree while considering angle C.
That is your A, that is your B, that is your C. Angle C decreasing, angle C is decreasing, angle A is increasing. And a condition will becomes when AC becomes equal to BC and AB will become equal to 0. Okay?
Yes, sir.
That is your A, B and C. तो अब एंगल तो A कितना होगा? ये हो गया, अब ये बढ़ रहा है, इंक्रीज हो रहा है. एंगल A इंक्रीज होगा, एंगल C डिक्रीज हो रहा है. ओके?
So your voice is low.
Angle A is increasing, but angle C is decreasing. Angle B, it becomes angle A also, that is angle C. Angle C becomes almost equal to 0, angle A becomes almost equal to 90 degree, and AC becomes B, AB is equal to B, sorry, AB almost equal to 0 and AC is almost equal to BC. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. In this case, angle A becomes larger and larger, and angle C becomes smaller and smaller. Smaller and smaller. Finally, angle A will become almost equal to 90 degree. Almost equal to 90 degree. And angle C will become almost equal to 0
Zero.
degree.
See.
Now your AB, your AC will almost equal to BC. AC will almost equal to BC, and BC will be equal to 0, and BC will be equal to the AB, and AB will be equal to 0.
Sir, why AB is equal to 0.
बिकॉज एंगल ए इज इंक्रीजिंग। देखो यहाँ पे एंगल ए इंक्रीज हो रहा है, यहाँ पे जो ए है वो बी पे कॉन्साइड कर रहा है, ऑलमोस्ट ए जो है वो बी पे कॉन्साइड कर रहा है। तो ए भी तो खत्म ही हो गया, ए भी तो है नहीं हमारे पास, ए बी बिकम्स ऑलमोस्ट इक्वल टू 0 नहीं है?
Yes.
Yes. Now angle A becomes 90 degree. Angle A becomes 90 degree. Now sine of 90 degree. Please tell me. Perpendicular upon hypotenuse. Your perpendicular is BC. Hypotenuse is AC. BC by AC. Okay, and BC is almost
Yes.
equal to AC.
Question 1.
Cos 90 degree. Base upon hypotenuse. What is base?
Sir, AD upon AC, that will be 0 upon AC, that will be 0.
AB is 0.
Then
That is 0. Okay. Now tan of 90 degree. Tan of 90 degree. Please tell me.
And it is not different. Yes, it will be more different, sir. Because base is 0 here.
Tan 90
And here,
perpendicular on base. Your perpendicular is
BC upon 0, which is not defined.
BC upon AB.
And AB is almost
AB is 0. That is not defined.
not defined.
Not defined.
That is not defined. Any doubt, any problems?
no, sir.
Now please find out the value of cosec of 90 degree, sec of 90 degree and cot of 90 degree. Please find out. Can you do it?
Yes.
What the question
Yes,
is
sir.
1? Yes, 1.
Yes.
So, further minus defined 1,
Sec is not defined and cot is 0.
0.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Now tomorrow I will start exercise 8.2. Please learn the table.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Learn the table.
Yes, sir.
That is page number 185. Learn the table. I will ask tomorrow the values of sin 30, sin 60, cos 30, sec 60. All the table you have to learn. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.